Before we get started today, it is really important that you grab your flashcards, grab a pen, and write this down because you're not going to remember it, especially if you're brand new to accounting. Accounting is like learning a foreign language. That's why it's often called a language of business. And today you're going to learn two key things, and that is accounting from a user's perspective and types of accounting information. Okay, the objective of financial accounting is to help a user make a decision. And this could be investors, creditors, or even you. For example, let's say you just got your accounting degree and you're like, where do I want to work? You might want to read that company's financial statement so you can make sure that you're going to stay at a company that's going to keep going so you have employment opportunity for a long time. Now, I feel like in the media, accounting is really perceived as this highly technical skill that only accountants can understand the language of business. And really, that's not true. If you're brand new to accounting and you monitor your monthly spending, just checking your bank account, looking at your credit card statement, that's accounting. That's monitoring the inflow and outflow of cash. Now, the three types of accounting that I'm going to cover today is financial accounting, managerial accounting, and tax accounting. When I think of financial accounting, I want you to think of financial statements. For example, Ulta Beauty. Google Ulta 10K, bring up the consolidated balance sheet, income statement, and statement of cash flows. And that gives you a snapshot of the health of that company. Now, moving on to managerial accounting, that is typically used for internal reporting purposes. So you might be like, what are internal reporting purposes? Think of product line. So you have that balance sheet that we looked at for financial accounting, and you see the line item revenue. Well, management accounting, they can probably see revenue by product line. For example, Ulta might see that Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics, specifically the bronzer, is performing extremely well. In the Kylie Jenner lip gloss, the sales might be down. But me and you typically aren't privy to that information. But after you get your accounting degree, if you decide to work at a company, you might be responsible for product line reporting. So it's really important that you understand these concepts too. And finally, tax accounting, the bane of my existence. I work for a Fortune 200 company, and there is a team of tax accountants for a few line items because tax is its own niche in itself. But tax accounting is so much more than just preparing the numbers for a company's balance sheet and income statement. It's also used for your personal tax returns. Think of companies like TurboTax, other Liberty Tax. Let me know, do you do your own taxes or do you use one of those softwares? Personally, I'm a TurboTax user. The software is just so user-friendly, no sense in trying to memorize all of the tax code. Your homework today is to review your flashcards over these accounting key terms, and then once you're done, come back and let me know what kind of accounting videos would you like to see in the comments below.